Friends, isn't it a beautiful day? Outside grounding, getting relative with the actual bioorganic programming that was made for us here, and we designed it ourselves as well, as a soul is eternal, and here you are in a body. Congratulations. If you have been making graduations of your self-awareness cleanup jobs, then you're going to be feeling good right now. There's a lot of good things coming. Maybe some of you are feeling some switcheroonies that are affecting your life, but you have to know this is positive. This is working for you. It's trying to get you to make a choice about where you want to be in your life. And when we're at that place, it can be a little difficult. It can. Sometimes it can come through final tests. You know, like I've shared before, the Inanna's descent through the underworld is really a hero's journey, you know, a hero of self journey. And part of that has to do with the values, the morals, the codes that you have inside that soul system that you were imparted with before you came in here. You are expanding to know that awareness now. So we're getting into the good stuff of us, you, me. We're doing this together, and I am enjoying the time of conversation that I'm having with you, because light shines to light, friends, and it's time. Yep, the cuckolds are broken, contracts are over. Yeah, you're moving into your intergalactic self, your interdimensional knowing, and this new you coming online is all about what's going to happen with your future. Right now, today, now that's always now. There is no anything else. Now is always now. If you can put your mind at ease about that, can you step back from that a minute and accept it for a second? Give yourself a breathing room. Yeah. Just move it right on back and go, now is now, you say. Right? Now is now for sure. And now is not ever changing now, except what's trying to get into the mental structures and cause a little problem. And we also have been doing a big cleanup, and maybe not many of you have already known that. How's your purging process going? How is your perception of your self-value going? How is your mindset about what you're perceiving? And is your perceiving on track with acute awareness to accuracies? Perfect thought? Maybe a little grease will help with that, and get your mind moving to accept that we have to leave it open. And that's why we've worked so hard on the chakra systems to keep those channels open, clearing up both the left and the right channel, the egotistical spiritual side and the luciferic, and the right side satanic Ahrimanic side that has to do with materialism, fear. Oh man, I just put that together. Yeah, it's Rosicrucianism information, taking a minute to get the GP, but settles up a lot of understanding about the body form. As I've been noticing for a very long time and talking about it to my closies, that our etheric field, our auric field, is 6 feet out, baby. Wow, right? And you're like, what gets in the field, GP? Yeah, what gets in your field? Let's take a good look. You feel that, you know, right? Who hasn't? Okay, well, if you have and you've been viewed and you've been graduated, you can be viewed all day long and you're fine. All right, so we remember that one for moving life forward and for getting on with the good stuff. And then also the reality of the soul-centered goodness. Yeah. In the center channel, another Rosicrucian expansion, now you've got a 3-wheel. Yeah. And they consider it in the center channel the Christ channel. Okay? And you can see the Kundalini wave going up and down it to activate all the chakras in the system that are then feeling out there to these forces. I think you got a little caught up in something left or right there, didn't you? Yeah, you only knew that there was a blue and a red pill? No, man. It's a multicolor wheel. Actually, it's a 3-color wheel. And down here, you have red, blue, yellow. I know in technology, it's red, green, blue, RGB. And many more like that. So let's go ahead and get Technicolor into self. All right. How colorful does it feel here today? Right? How colorful, healthy, wholeness, vibrancy I feel here today? Oh man, I love your answers. Yeah, they're honest, and this is important. So, in the light of reason and in the goodness of this light, we're going to take direct reflection advantage of the source coding coming in. It's activating, and it's the sun right there coming in right over the top. And you get the data codes, not for manipulation, but the clearing of the self-soul. Oh, and in that clearing, the data codes then take a new form after you've cleared into information about the self and about the others and the balance. And here we are in neutrality timeline, where we can accept the new and release the old. Really just release it. So what? It was great learning. Thank you. Graduated. Graduated in the understanding. Yeah. And we're going to talk about it on the new shows coming up on my new show. Yeah. It's going to be so cool. I can't wait. All right. I can't wait. So here's a little bit from GP, bringing into our lives the goodness that we are, and remembering that in this precious time, we look at ourselves in a precious way. So take time to slow down your thoughts about what you think is happening and about actually the source organic bio program that was made for our healthy growth and development. You're with GP3 on Soul Searching. Have a great day, everybody.